Hello there, today we are going to review the most exciting concepts in technology. Do you dare? Ever wondered how a good desk setup can improve your study habits? This isn't just about having a place to plonk your laptop or stack your textbooks. A proper desk setup can significantly impact your study habits, productivity, and even your mental well-being. Consider this. Clutter and disarray in your workspace can mirror the chaos in your mind. A messy desk could lead to a messy mind. And that's not what you want when you're trying to absorb new information or crack a complex problem. Psychologists have found that a clean, organized space can promote focus and productivity. It reduces distractions, allows for better mental clarity, and can even lower stress levels. But it's not just about being neat and tidy, it's also about creating a space that's inviting, a space that you want to spend time in. Think about it, if your desk is a jumble of papers, cords, and half-eaten snacks, how motivated are you going to be to sit down and study? Probably not very, but if your desk is clean, organized, and has a few personal touches, it becomes a place you want to be. It becomes your own little haven of productivity. Personalizing your workspace is essential. Maybe you need a plant for a touch of nature or a photo of your loved ones for inspiration. Perhaps you want a motivational quote with insight or your favorite figurine perched on the corner. Whatever it is, these personal touches make your desk more than just a desk. They make it a space where you feel comfortable, motivated, and ready to tackle your studies. A proper desk setup isn't just about aesthetics or organization, it's about creating a conducive environment for learning. An environment that fosters concentration, reduces distractions, and promotes efficiency. It's about setting yourself up for success. The right desk setup can make a world of difference in your study habits. So let's explore how you can create the perfect study space. So, what makes a good desk setup? Well, it all boils down to a few key elements. Let's dive right in, shall we? First off, we have the chair. You'll be spending a lot of time in this, so it has to be comfortable, but not just any comfort. We're talking about ergonomic comfort. That means it supports your back, promotes good posture, and adjusts to fit your body. An ergonomic chair can be the difference between a productive study session and an afternoon of back pain. Next up is lighting. You need enough light to see what you're working on without straining your eyes. This could mean having a desk lamp or positioning your desk near a window for some good old natural light. But remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality too. A soft, warm light can be much more comfortable for long study sessions than harsh, direct light. Now let's talk about the desk itself. It should have enough space for all your materials, but not so much that it becomes cluttered. Remember, a clutter-free workspace equals a clutter-free mind. And don't forget about height. Your desk should be at a level where your arms can rest comfortably while you're typing or writing. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, is the importance of ergonomics. Ergonomics isn't just about your chair, it's about your entire setup. Your monitor should be at eye level to avoid neck strain, your keyboard and mouse should be within easy reach, and your feet should be flat on the floor. It's all about creating a workspace that minimizes strain and maximizes comfort. Getting these key elements right is the first step towards a more comfortable and productive study session. So take the time to evaluate your current setup and make the necessary adjustments. Remember, your desk setup isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that supports your health and productivity. After all, your study sessions are only as effective as the environment you create for them. Comfort is king when it comes to long study sessions. Now let's dive into some practical ways to enhance this royal treatment. First up, let's talk about the throne itself, your chair. A cushioned chair can be a real game changer. It's like the difference between sitting on a rock and a cloud. You want something that supports your back and allows you to maintain a good posture. Remember, this isn't just about feeling good. It's about preventing long-term health issues. Next, let's consider your surroundings. The temperature of your room can significantly impact your comfort level. Too hot and you might find yourself dozing off. Too cold and you could be distracted by the shivers. Aim for a Goldilocks temperature just right. Now let's talk about the importance of breaks. Yes, you heard right, breaks. Even the most dedicated scholars need to rest their minds and bodies. Stretch those legs, rest those eyes. It's not laziness, it's about efficiency. Regular breaks can prevent fatigue and keep you fresh, focused, and ready to absorb knowledge. Finally, let's discuss the height of your desk and chair. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about ergonomics. Your chair should be at a height where your feet can comfortably touch the ground, and your desk should be at a level where your elbows naturally rest at a 90-degree angle. This promotes good posture, reducing strain on your neck and shoulders. And if you're thinking, well, my desk and chair aren't adjustable, don't worry. There are plenty of affordable solutions out there like footrests and chair cushions that can help you achieve the right height. So, there you have it. A few practical tips to make your study sessions more comfortable and therefore more productive. Remember, your comfort is not just about making studying more enjoyable. It's about taking care of your health in the long run. Remember, comfort not only makes studying more enjoyable, but also helps to prevent health issues related to prolonged sitting. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind. It's a simple truth that many of us overlook, but mastering the art of organization can revolutionize your study habits and boost your productivity to new heights. Let's take a walk through some key strategies to keep your desk and your mind clear and focused. First off, consider incorporating storage solutions into your setup. Drawers, shelves, and file organizers can do wonders in keeping your workspace tidy. They provide a home for every item, eliminating the need for those haphazard stacks of paper and scattered pens that we're all familiar with. Storage solutions come in all shapes and sizes and can be tailored to your specific needs. Got a lot of books? A small bookshelf could be your best friend. Dealing with numerous small items like paper clips and sticky notes? Try using a drawer organizer. The key is to ensure that everything has its place. This brings us to the next point. Having a dedicated space for each item is not just about storage, but also about retrieval. It's about being able to find what you need, when you need it, without having to rummage through piles of stuff. This will save you time and prevent unnecessary frustration. But remember, a system is only as good as its maintenance. Once you've found a place for everything, make it a habit to return items to their designated spots after use. This might take a little bit of discipline at first, but trust me, it's worth it. Think of your desk as a visual representation of your mind. When it's cluttered, it's difficult to focus. But when it's organized, your thoughts can flow freely, and you're able to concentrate on what truly matters: your studies. An organized desk can help you find what you need quickly and keep your focus on your studies. So roll up your sleeves, get organized, and watch as your productivity soars. In conclusion, your desk setup plays a crucial role in your study habits. Just as a well-tuned instrument allows a musician to produce beautiful music, a well-arranged desk setup can significantly boost your productivity and comfort while studying. We've delved into the importance of a good desk setup, its key elements, and some practical tips to enhance your comfort and efficiency. Let's take a swift walk down memory lane. We started by discussing the impact of your desk setup on your study habits. Remember, a cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind, hindering your concentration and productivity. On the other hand, an organized, comfortable setup can enhance your focus, reduce stress, and make studying a more enjoyable experience. Then, we moved on to the key elements of a good desk setup. Lighting, chair comfort, desk space, and monitor positioning are all crucial factors. Remember, your desk setup should cater to your needs and should be adjustable to your comfort. It's all about creating a personalized study environment that encourages productivity and minimizes distractions. Next, we shared some practical tips to improve your comfort. Investing in an ergonomic chair, using proper lighting, and taking regular breaks are just a few ways to ensure you're comfortable while studying. Comfort, after all, plays a significant role in maintaining your focus and reducing the risk of physical strain. We also touched on some organizational tips to help you maintain an efficient desk setup. Keeping your workspace clean, organizing your study materials, and using tools like desk organizers can help you avoid wasting precious study time searching for lost items. So we've come full circle, my friends. A good desk setup is more than just having a fancy desk or chair. It's about creating an environment that fosters productivity, focus, and comfort. And remember, small changes can make a big difference. So, take some time to evaluate your current desk setup and make the necessary changes. Your grades and your back will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments to help us grow. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Stay focused, inspired, and keep chasing your dreams. Goodbye.